Ever wondered how businesses have kept track of their finances through the ages? Let's take a fascinating look into the evolution of bookkeeping. Our story begins in ancient Mesopotamia, around 7,000 years ago. The Sumerians and Babylonians, as early as 4000 BCE, used clay tablets to record transactions. These early bookkeepers were meticulous, tracking each grain stored and livestock raised. As societies expanded, so did the need for more sophisticated record-keeping. Fast forward to 1494, when Luca Pacioli, an Italian mathematician, published a book introducing double-entry bookkeeping. Often called the father of accounting, Pacioli's methods revolutionized the way businesses managed their accounts. This system allowed merchants to not only record income and expenditures, but also understand their financial position. As we entered the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution transformed economies worldwide. Businesses became complex enterprises, and bookkeeping had to adapt. Manual ledgers gave way to mechanical calculators, making calculations faster and reducing errors. These machines were the precursors to modern accounting software. In the mid-20th century, computers began changing the landscape of bookkeeping. Pioneering companies started developing software to automate accounting processes. By the 1980s and 90s, personal computers and software like QuickBooks made bookkeeping accessible to small businesses and entrepreneurs, simplifying tasks such as payroll, invoicing, and reporting. Today, cloud-based accounting tools have transformed bookkeeping, making it more efficient and scalable. With real-time data access and advanced analytics, businesses can now make informed decisions faster than ever before. However, the core principles of bookkeeping, accuracy and transparency remain unchanged. From clay tablets to digital spreadsheets, bookkeeping has been an indispensable part of human commerce. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the art of keeping books, forever adapting to meet the needs of modern economies. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this journey through the fascinating history of bookkeeping.